Good morning, all of you. I'm Ashok Kumar Mishra. Today is going to continue with the objective-based questions of Chapter 2, that is the log on to Microsoft Access. First question is, dash is a collection of information stored in the organized way. Answer is database. Second question, a computerized records keeping system that enable you to store, modify and extract information from a database is known as DBMS. Third question, Microsoft Access is that relational database. And fourth question, sorting refers to the arrangement of the data in ascending or descending order. And fifth, a primary key is a sort of checks on the table that uniquely identify each record in the table. And sixth question, long text data type is used to descriptive field. And seventh, an auto number generate a sequential number where whenever a new record is added to a table. And eighth question, the dataset view display the table as a grid. Ninth question, forms are the user-friendly interface that facilitates and produce of entering data in a table. And 10, report collect the summarized data from one or more table queries and organize in the printable forms. And second question is true and false. The raw in a tables are called records. A statement is true. Second question, currency data is used to store monetary data. A statement is true. Third question, an Access template helps to create a complete database application which is ready to use. A statement is true. Fourth question, DBS stands for Data Binding Management System. False. And fifth, a table can have only one primary key. A statement is true. And sixth questions, it is an essential to specify the data type for the field name. Question number 6, a statement false. And seventh, OLE data type is stored linked to a web page. A statement is false. And toggle filter button is located in the sort and filter group. A statement is true. And now MCQ. Section B, MCQ. The standard files name extension for database in Access is .accdb. There are mainly dash type of database. Answer is 4. Question number 3, dash is an application software that is used to create, modify and extract data from database. Answer is DBMS. Question number 4, which data type has largest storage capacity? Answer is long text. And what is the maximum number of the character that can be used to define a field name? That is a 64 character. And question number 6, which icons indicate the edit mode in Access? That is the pencil. And there and the area display the list of a new or existing database object like table form is called navigation pane. Here are the some long questions. First question is, what is database? And give example. Answer. Database is an organized way to storing information in information. It helps us to storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and easy way. Example, telephone directory, dictionary, maintaining a list of their address, keeping their record, pertaining to academic and co-curricular achievements are the example of the different types of database. Second question, differentiate between the flat file and database and relational database. Flat file database. Flat file database refers to database data file that contain record which have a small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. Microsoft Excel is a good example of the flat file database. And relational database stores data in the several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. Example, Microsoft Access, SQL, Oracle. And third question, define the table list, the different elements of a table. Tables are the building block of a database. They store the complete data in a structured manner, that is, in the form of row and column. Every table has a finite number of columns and rows. Different elements of a table first field. All the columns in a table are called field. A field describes a particular attribute of all the records in a table. Second thing is record. Row in a table are called record. A record contains the value for all the fields that belongs to a single person or an entity. Data, a set of characters that represent a valid value, is known as data. This is the table, and table name is students, and here are the different field, that is the roll number, first name, and English, Maths, Hindi. And record number 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 records for every individual, Sandeep, Nitin and Deepti. And data is the name of the student is the data, and English marks for all students is the data, mathematics marks for all students, Hindi marks of all students. These are the data and also known as the elements of the table. So these are the different types of the and these are the questions of long question of the class 8 chapter 2. 3 questions already solved. Rest questions will solve in next class. Okay, bye, thank you, have a nice day.